I think now that model changes a little bit where a lot of those ground level tasks don't need to be done by humans, or not all the way done. And I think what we're seeing is there's not a lot of things that are 100% getting replaced by AI agents. I think what we're trying to get people to do is less of the preparation and more of the reviewing. So I think what I see is what I want to do is hire more people who are going to really push the boundaries of what it means to be kind of a world-class finance team. And to me, that's connecting finance with operations, helping to influence decisions, and doing the storytelling. Those are not things that I think are going to be replaced anytime soon by an agent. But what enables them to do is like, hey, a lot of the routine things that take their time, a lot of the ground floor analysis, the pumping manual reconciliations, or doing a budget versus actual that could be 85% automated by AI. That's going to allow them to focus time on getting more embedded in the business, spending more time with their business partners, and now bringing operational insights to me and the rest of the team about how we can do things better or more connectedly.
What I've seen is finance is this very political department, right? And when I'm on boards and everything, finance sort of comes together at the end and maybe a few weeks after the end of the month, unlike OpenAI, where the close is real time. And this makes the conversation in boardrooms very political, kind of, right? Like competing interests, the data is sitting everywhere.
You want to switch spots?
Yeah.